O panoorin natin to Si Luistro, yung asawa niya, rapist pala, manyak, matakaw din pala sa tahong Katulad ni Erwin Tulfo Pero si Erwin naman, nagbabayad siya talagang namimili siya 5 hanggang 3. Tapos gumagamit ng robos pa siguro yan. Itong asawa mo, manyak, rapist pala. Mas okay pa si Erwin, di ba? Ito, manyak talaga sa pilitan, manyak talaga, rapist. Ang takaw pala sa taong ng asawa mo, Luestro. Hayop ka talaga. Kupal ka, tinago mo pa, hayop ka. Yung kaso, hayop ka talaga. Kupal ka talaga. Tapos hindi ka pa nagbayad kay BP Sara, ina mo talaga, hayop ka. Tapos may kaso ka pa sa ombudsman, cut-eye. Hayop ka, cut-eye. Nilagyan mo ng cut-eye, hindi naman highway, hayop ka. Kupal ka talagang kurakot kayo. Hayop ka talaga, cut-eye. Itong ombudsman ito, pinatulog yung kaso ni Luistro na naman mga hayop talaga kayo. Kupal. Yung maleta-maleta, dinalang kayo ng maleta-maleta, di ka nagbayad kay BP Sara, hayop kang kupal ka, Luistro ka. Panoorin natin itong asawa mong manyak, hayop ka, kupal ka, tigas talaga ng mukha mo. Akala mo kung sino kang malinis, hayop ka. Meron ka rin palang maleta-maleta. Tapos sikat ay, hayop ka, kurakot din.
Ano bang tinago niyo yung asawa niyo?
Yes. Tinago ko po ang asawa ko. It is because I needed to step back.
Hayop kang kupal ka. Pinagmalaki mo pa. Tinago ko yung asawa ko. Ina mo. Ang tigas talaga ng mukha mo.
That they were able to have this case, a warrant of arrest is issued. And the complainant is inexistent. Happened 2 weeks after the court granted my husband's petition for bail. So, ibig sabihin, kakabalik lang niya ng Mabini, kaka-assume lang ulit niya ng kanyang office as mayor of Mabini. We discovered another rape case.
It's 2 rape charges.
I don't think
Two rape case. Hayop talaga yung asawa mo. Ang takaw talaga sa tahong. 2 beses rape case. 2 kaso rape. Hayop ka talagang hayop yung asawa mo. Kupal ka talaga. Tapos ikaw maleta-maleta. Hindi ka pa nagbayad. Ayaw mo magbayad kay BP Sara. Hayop kang kupal ka. Tigas ng mukha mo. Maleta-maletang hayop ka. Cut-eye. Hindi namang highway. Nilagyan mo. Ina mo talaga. Hayop talaga kayo.
that they are directly related to that. Perhaps that has been my position, my personality ever since I engaged in various committee hearings in the House, even before Quadcom, no? But you've mentioned about the cases that my husband and I went through, no? It brought a lot of impact to my life, to my family's life, and nakikita ko siya sa social media ngayon, Casey. Every time that I interpolate, lumalabas lagi yung fabricated cases of rape ng asawa.
Anong fabricated? Ulol. Kupal ka. Tigas talagang rapist yung anak mo. Hayop ka Asawa mo. Anak, hindi pala anak. Asawa mo. Hayop ka. Fabricated. Siyempre i-deny mong manyak na asawa mo na matakaw sa tahong. Hayop ka. Kupal ka. Tigas talaga ng mukha mo.
Asawa ko. With the branding that tinago ko ang asawa ko,
Yes.
I evaded the law.
That's what's going around. That here you are holding people to account, and yet you told your husband to hide and not face these charges when they were filed against him. Talaga bang tinago niyo yung asawa?
Yes. Tinago ko po ang asawa ko. It is because
Pinagmamalaki pang hayop at kupal ka. Tapos pag kay bato talagang pinipilit yung ipahuli, hayop ka, kupal kayo, ina mo.
I needed to step back. So, hindi po totoo na I evaded the law. I just needed to step back.
Hindi po totoo. Siyempre, aminin mo ba? Hayop ka, ina mo. Kupal ka. Aaminin mo ba yan?
because I needed to prepare my husband, I needed to prepare my young children then, I needed to prepare my kababayan in Mabini. Kasi may kaso yung mayor nila, di ba? And rape case is a very scandalous case, no? As soon as I believe that all of them are prepared already, I made my husband make voluntary surrender before the court. Na-arraign po siya. We attended the pre-trial. As a matter of fact, we filed a petition for bail. That's why he was able to get his temporary liberty. The prosecution was able to present their evidence. And from our end, the accused, we also presented our evidence. And we were able to prove, Casey, that the complainant is a fictitious personality. At first, felt so frustrated because being a lawyer, a member of the bar, kabaro ko yung fiscal eh. Kabaro ko yung judge eh. How come that they were able to have this case, a warrant of arrest is issued, and the complainant is inexistent? We verified her identity with PSA, the Philippine Statistics Authority, with SHED, with DepEd, with COMELEC, and even with her alleged place of birth. I think it's in Bacoor, Cavite. Her identity is totally inexistent. And then when I go over the documents of the court and even of the prosecution, all the notices are returned to sender. The notices to the complainant, the notices to my husband, everything are returned to sender. Ibig sabihin, the address which is being used for my husband is erroneous. And the address that was submitted by the complainant is inexistent as well.
Was there ever a point during that time when you also were afraid that the truth might say otherwise? That here you are, you're trying to defend your husband, pero meron ba kayong kaba na baka totoo? Diba? Ano yung nararamdaman nyo ng mga panahon yun?
Well, the first time I learned about that case, the fabricated case of rape, I immediately asked my husband. I asked him once. Sabi ko sa kanya, tatanungin kita ng isang beses lang. Whatever you will tell me, I will believe you. And the moment he said, that is not true, that is fabricated, and that is...
Walang umaamin, Westro, hayop ka, kupal ka. Bakit niya aminin na ng rape siya? Hayop ka, kupal ka. Ang sinungaling, hayop ka. Siyempre sasabihin niya, hindi ako ng rape, mahal kita eh. Oo, hindi kita pagpapalit eh. Bakit? Kahit ganyan yung katawad mo, ganyan yung pagbumukha mo, ha? Hindi ako mangre-rape. Sino ba amin? Hayop ka. Pag inamin niya, siyempre maghihiwalay kayo, masisira yung ano nyo. Pagsasama, ina mo talaga. Lokohin mo pa kami, ina mo talaga. Aamin ba yung asawa mo ng rape? Kupal ka, tigas talaga ng mukha mo.
the time I initially made my stand. I need to have that warrant of arrest quashed.
And that happened.
Yeah.
But
As a
then
matter of fact,
there was
I think-
another one
Yeah.
that came.
As a matter of fact, to finish the first
Oh, meron pa raw isa, kaya nga dalawa eh. Ibig sabihin talagang manyak. Ha? Matakaw sa taong yung asawa mo, hayop ka. Upal ka. Ina mo.
fabricated case of rape, the court rendered a decision dismissing the case with prejudice. Ibig sabihin, they cannot refile the case. And we were able to overwhelmingly establish that there is no complainant at all.
At all. Okay.
But it's so hard to believe, Casey, di ba? They went through the preliminary investigation. They went through the judicial determination of probable cause. They issued the warrant. And there's no person complaining my husband.
I know you mentioned about the conflict. Pero ito kay you took an oath as a lawyer to defend the rule of law, hindi ba? And then you see itong mga sinabi mo, kabaro nyo, circumventing the law. That must have been difficult. How difficult was that for you to see that, okay, this is a reality that I have to face?
At first, I was thinking to go against them, to file the necessary administrative cases. Pero when I started assuming my office as Congresswoman of Batangas 2nd District, and I saw the courage and the dedication of the people in the DOJ, which heads the preliminary investigation processes, most especially under the leadership of Secretary Boying, I submitted myself that perhaps this is an isolated case. Siguro naman, mas maraming piskal at mas maraming judges ang tapat sa kanilang tungkulin.
Kailan ho yan nangyari? Pagkatapos or bago nung pangalawang complaint? Kasi may pangalawang dumating, hindi ba?
May pangalawang dumating. Rape na naman. Hayop talaga, ang takaw talaga sa tahong. Yung asawa mo ha, Bistro, na may cat eye ka rin, hayop ka. May kurakot ka rin. Tapos dinhalan ka rin ng maleta, hayop ka. Sabi ng mga ex-marine, hayop ka. At tulad kayo ni sino ba yung hayop na abante rin yung si Boy Dila rin. Si Chihuahua na nagtayo ng barangay hall sa bangketa. Itong abante, cat eye rin, nagtayo rin, hindi namang highway. Puro kayo kurakot, nyo talaga, hayop talaga kayo, kupal talaga kayo.
This happened after the 2 complaints. The second complaint happened 2 weeks after the court granted my husband's petition for bail. So, ibig sabihin, kakabalik lang niya ng Mabini, kaka-assume lang ulit niya ng kanyang office as mayor of Mabini. We discovered another rape case. Pero swerte namin, Casey, inabutan ko siya sa preliminary investigation during the time that it is still with the office of the prosecutor. So we were able to file the necessary counter affidavit. I made a complete account of his whereabouts. Every hour, every day, I submitted a complete account of my husband's whereabouts. But what is significant, Casey, kung ano modus do sa first case, same modus do sa second case.
Did you ever find out who was behind this?
I honestly believe that these people will not leave any footprint, no? Pero, ano naman tayo, sino bang gagawa sa atin yan? Only people.
Sino paggagawa natin? Sino ba? Sino bang gagawa? Siyempre. Manyak talaga yung asawa mo ha? Matakaw sa tahong. Ina mo. Hoy, nagbayad ka na ba kay BP Sara? Ha? Diyan sa case ng asawa mo. Hayop ka? Hihingi-hingi ka ng tulong kay BP Sara na nang rape yung asawa mo, tapos hindi ka naman nagbayad. Kupal ka talaga, tigas talaga ng mukha mo, hayop ka.